Hello everyone, today let's introduce our inspection process to you. First is the manual inspection link, where appearance issues are checked through visual inspection, and manual resoldering is conducted on solder missing parts to ensure basic soldering quality. Next, the fully automatic inspection tooling is activated. This system can automatically simulate actual working conditions to accurately test core performance of the product, such as power consumption and metering accuracy. At the same time, it completes data reporting in real time and can synchronously verify safety functions like anti-disassembling and anti-tilting. No manual intervention is needed throughout the process, ensuring inspection efficiency and accuracy. The entire inspection process combines meticulous manual checking and automated precise testing. It not only covers appearance inspection and detailed repairs, but also realizes efficient verification of core performance and safety functions, comprehensively ensuring that the outgoing product quality meets the standards. Thanks for watching.